nature's pretty important to us, and we spend a lot of time outside, and we boat, and we've seen the erosion problem seriously increase over the years. I mean, 30 years ago we were looking at buying a house on Lakeshore, and the erosion problem, the house was about ready to fall in, and we now have there are some serious homes in a lot of serious condition that it's really pretty serious here.
Speaking about the erosion, yeah, definitely, I don't know if it's the high water levels, I don't know what happened, but yeah, the shoreline is definitely shrinking, and there's definitely a lot of property damage, a lot of trees falling into the water. So as far as that goes, it's definitely changed a lot.
If we can contribute a little bit, if by documenting this information, erosion can be monitored, maybe there's something we can do, or at least decide which areas need to be attacked first. That's a beautiful area. Manistee is a wonderful community, and let's just protect it and enjoy it and keep it here for our future generations. That's what I'm thinking about. Thank you.